So how we did over $7,000 over here, 5,700 over here with the new ClickBank offer, basically brain offer, as you can see over here, right? So this was the brain offer. I'm going to show you here. You can see, right? The beauty of this thing is, this product is that it actually stays compliant, meaning like you can promote this on Facebook ads, Google pay-per-click ads, TikTok or YouTube ads, but you have to know who is your audience on a deeper psychological level as well. So you know exactly what keywords to use, for example, on Google pay-per-click ads, on your landing page with ClickFunnels, right? You have to know exactly who is your audience, the structure, psychology of ads, and emotional states. So you'll know exactly how to bring it in together. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to know exactly how to do it in 2025, you can reach out over here to me one-on-one on my Instagram. I have my WhatsApp, email, Facebook Messenger, right? Just reach out here. You can DM me, but only if you're serious. If you really want to take it to the next level in 2025 and have these kind of results.